Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome to this video. This is John from xemacscode and this is part 7 of our video tutorial series on how to create a point of sale system using JavaFX and MySQL. So from the previous tutorial, we have added the controller for our tables. So basically now we can, manage the tables for our point of sale. So if we try to log in, let's just have a preview first before we proceed with another video tutorial regarding how to add products right here. So basically what we have so far is we can manage tables. So right here we could add table. For example, let's just add another table right here and then save. So it should be here, and of course we can update this. Okay, there you go. And of course we can delete this particular record. Okay, so in this particular video tutorial we're gonna be adding the same thing for our product. So basically if we click on this manage product, it should open a new window also where we could add a new product and of course add a product category. So let's start with adding a new Fxml file for our product window. So basically we're just gonna add a new Fxml file right here, and this will be for products. Click next, and we're gonna use a Java controller for this, and it should say products controller. Click on next, click on finish, and we're gonna open this with the scene builder application so that we could design our products user interface with this options right here with all the controls and window controls that we have here. So first thing first is let's just open first also the tables controller or tables.fxml. We're just gonna copy and paste some of the elements right here. So for example, let's just copy and paste this, copy the anchor pane itself, and go back to the products.fxml. Then I'm just gonna delete this and paste the anchor pane coming from our tables.fxml because we're gonna be using some of its style. For example, the button and of course this particular blue bar at the top right here. So I'll just adjust the size of our window, and of course our blue bar right here, and let me position this right here. Okay, and then inside here we're gonna add a VBox. So drag the VBox right here, okay, and then we can drag this one right here, and it should align the element. So of course this will be for our ID, which is auto increment. We could copy and paste this, copy and then paste. Okay, paste, paste. This will be for the description. This will be for the price, category, what else? Weight. So we're gonna add this particular weight attribute. So later on, we have an option to, toggle this between if the product is if the product price is based on weight or not. Okay, because there are products that are based on weight. So for example, if there's like a grill type product which is based on grams, so for example 2 grams is equivalent to this value or something. So, and there are also products that is dependent on the number of pieces. So for example, one serving of this particular food product is equivalent to a certain value or something. So of course there are food products also, or other products that is based on weight, the price, I mean. Okay, and then we're gonna add also status, if it is available or not. Let's just add also horizontal or hbox. So this hbox will be under the category. So let me resize this first, and we should be using combo box for our categories because we're letting our user to choose a product category right here. And we're gonna add also a button beside the combo box. Let's just resize this, and layout will be maybe 180. Okay, the height is 32. Okay, there you go. And we could also add spacing to our elements right inside our hbox. Right, there you go. So price, description, ID, and we also have we're just gonna delete this. So for the weight, we're gonna use the same combo box also, not the text box, and also one for the status if it is available or not. So the size will be through here. So weight, description, price, category, weight, status. So I think that will do for now, and this will be add, because the user could also add categories right here. So not say for example if he wants to add meal or dessert, then he could add a new category right here. And I'm just gonna reposition this right here, and the VBox, let's just add spacing to this also so it will look nice. Where is it? Spacing, so 5. So there you go, and I'm just gonna resize this just like that. Okay, and also before we forgot, we will be adding also pane, because this will hold the image of our product. So the size will be, let me resize our VBox. There you go. VBox. Okay. And we could set the border for this. Let's say, for example, image box, or we could try the ID. And let's just use the CSS. We don't have CSS right now. What we could do is add a new CSS. So for example, styles.css. Okay, there you go. And I'll just copy and paste the, what do you call this, the rules for this, meaning the design or the CSS rules for this image box. Okay, so this is for the border for this particular anchor pane, or the pane that we have added here inside our VBox. So let's just say open the style.css right here, and there you go. It added this particular nice looking border for our pane. And we're gonna add image view to this. Okay, image view. There we go. So this is image view product. This is, let me resize this. VBox. Okay, so image view product. We also have edit text ID, edit text description, edit text price, CB categories, CB weight, CB status. This will be table products. There you go. Okay, so I think that's good for now, and let's go back to our NetBeans IDE, and let's just make the controller, or update the controller for the products controller, and we should be editing this. Okay, products controller. So this is not what we want. Products controller right here, or products.fxml, and then generate the products controller. Okay, controller. Let's see. Okay, it should update our Fxml, so it should be products controller right here. So products controller, and let's just update the controller, so it should include now all the elements that we have added here in our this particular layout for our products. So under our dashboard controller, we will just open also a modal window just like this. So products dashboard, let's open this, manage product, and we're gonna set the on action event for this. So for example, action manage product, save that and update our dashboard controller, and it should have this particular method right here, action manage product, and it should open the products.fxml, and we're just gonna say here manage products. Okay, so clean and build our application, and let's just try first before we proceed. Let's try first the look of our user interface. So run file, and let's log in. Okay, so manage table, where is it? Manage table, manage product. You should be getting this particular window right here. But what happened to our manage table right here? Dashboard, manage table. So manage table right here. Open model window. Let's display something. ex.get message. Build. Run file. Admin. Manage table. We're getting this particular output. Okay, so I think we do have an error right here. So later on we will try to solve this, but for now let's just move on to manage product. So basically what we have here is the window for our managing the products, and I will just leave these buttons for now right here. Okay, so this will have the ID and then description. Let's go to properties, and this will be description, and we're gonna add table column for the price, category, description, price, category, and status. For the description column, we're gonna set the layout and the size into maybe 200. Or 230, and this will be price, this will be category, this will be for the status, meaning the availability of our product, if it is available or not. Of course, we're gonna display here the products coming from our database, so let's just do that. We could just copy and paste what we have here in our tables controller, and what we have is show table. We're just gonna copy and paste this. Okay, products controller, connection, JDBC. We're just gonna copy and paste that. Where is it? Initialize So this is for our, database connectivity. So JDBC database object. Then we're just gonna set this should be show products, not table, and we're gonna add a new bean class for our products. So products, and our products has ID, description, private string price, private string category, private string status, and also private blob. This is for the image. So let's see tables. Blob. Okay, and then of course we're just gonna generate constructor. So select all attribute, and of course we're just gonna add also getters. Okay, so we now have the products class. Let's go back to products controller, and instead of tables we're gonna set here the products. This will be table products, and this will be products. This will be products also. Products. Okay, so list get product list. There you go. And change this into products also. Product list. Select all from products. I'm gonna show you later on the structure of our products table inside our database, so don't worry about that. And product list, this will be products also. Products. New product for products, and we should be returning the product list. There we go. So for the products, we're not getting only two, what do you call this, column, where we're getting the description, price, category, image, and also the ID. So ID, description, and price, category, status, and also the image. I think that's the image. Res get blob image. There we go. So get product list, and this is show products. I'll just comment this one out for now. Okay, get product list. integer products integer, and this is string, and we're going to set the other columns also. This is call ID, call name, this should be call description or column description, call price, call the category, call status. Okay, so update the controller. It should now have the new columns. So products and string, products and string, products and also string, products and then string. And we're gonna do the same right here. Call description, one, two, three. This will be for price, category, and status. Price, category, status. Okay, so let us call this particular method inside our initialize method. Okay. Show products. Okay, and clean and build our application first, and let's try to preview our application. This is very long video right here. We're close to 30 minutes. So this will be okay. So now we're getting all this particular output right here. This is coming from our database. So we have the description, the price, the category, the status of our product. So the structure for our, let me open first the structure for our database. So right here, I created the products table, and this is the structure: description, text, price, decimal, 10, 2, category, varchar 50, weight, varchar or varchar 50 also, image, which is medium blob, and status, which is varchar 50. And I also created these categories because later on we will allow the user to add categories, and of course the product should what do you call this, refer to this column right here. So categories, category names will be inside this category column right here. So the structure for our categories is this: ID 11 auto increment, and the name will be varchar 50. Okay, so that will be for the structure of our database, products and categories. So in the next video tutorial, we will continue to work with our products window. So we should be able to add new items or a new product, and of course we should be able to add also new categories inside to our database. So I think that's it in this particular video tutorial, and of course if you have questions, please let me know in the comment section below. We will try to answer your questions. Okay, so again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.